Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payhip with Stripe to receive payments. This integration is essential for anyone selling digital products or services through Payhip, as it allows you to securely process customer payments directly through Stripe's trusted payment platform. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to payhip.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your dashboard without any delays. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on Account. This section houses all your account-related settings and configurations, making it the central hub for managing your Payhip store's back-end operations. Within the Account section, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to a comprehensive settings page where you can customize various aspects of your Payhip account, from basic information to advanced features that control how your store operates. Once you're in the settings area, locate and click on Payment Details. This is a crucial section because it's where you'll manage all the payment methods available for your customers. Without proper payment integration, you won't be able to process transactions, so this step is vital for getting your store fully operational. In the Payment Details section, you'll see different payment gateway options. Find Stripe in the list, and beside it, you'll notice a Connect button. Go ahead and click on it. This initiates the connection process between your Payhip account and Stripe's payment processing system. At this point, you'll be presented with two choices. If you already have a Stripe account, you can click Connect Your Account. However, if you're new to Stripe and don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for Stripe first before proceeding. For this tutorial, we'll assume you already have a Stripe account, so click Connect Your Account. A new window will appear prompting you to input your email address associated with your Stripe account. Type in your Stripe email address carefully, then click Continue. This step verifies your identity and ensures that the correct Stripe account is being linked to your Payhip store. After clicking Continue, Stripe will guide you through a series of instructions to complete the connection. Follow these prompts carefully. You may be asked to verify certain account details or grant permissions for Payhip to access your Stripe account. This process is secure and necessary for the two platforms to communicate effectively. Once you've completed all the required steps, your Stripe account will be successfully connected to Payhip and you'll be ready to start receiving payments from your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.